Hi, now we will see how we can create a different kind of questions. It's a popular thing named as Bloom's taxonomy. So as a teacher you are already aware that there is a classification of hierarchical structure based on critical thinking. So the levels are a question can be of remember level, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate and create. So what kind of question you want? If you are sure, you can ask AI to create that level of question and then you can use it. So we are not going to dig deep into Bloom's taxonomy, rather we are just going to explore how you can generate Bloom's taxonomy questions. So on this slide we can see an example of the questions. So remember and understand level questions are like define photosynthesis, basic, low cognitive level questions. On higher scale, we have questions like how would a plant behave without a sunlight? So apply and analyze level questions. And moving upward in this hierarchy, so design an experiment or something more, what happen if, so where you will create or evaluate. And at last we have evaluate and create level questions. Let's see how we can create questions based on Bloom's taxonomy. Let's have a look at this prompt. As you are already aware of prompt engineering, I think you can relate easily. So you are an experienced biology teacher assigning a role. Now what is your task? You want to design an assignment based on Bloom's taxonomy. So here instead of middle school, you can also write your class. I am teaching 10th class, 8th class, 12th class, BTech, MTech. Now create a question across all 6 taxonomy levels, that is remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, create. The AI knows about Bloom's taxonomy, but it's recommended, or you can also type in full. For each level, generate 2 questions, clear, friendly, aligned with learning objectives. Make sure the question progress from simple to higher level thinking. Now, these all are the context or whatever, however the output you want. The thing is, you want it in a tabular format or you directly want a question. So if you will directly prompt, you will get directly a question, which then you have to analyze whether it's a remember level question or evaluate question. That's why we focus on effective prompting. So now I have given this prompt like I want in a table format and 3 columns, Bloom's level, question and purpose. Let's type this prompt and see what responses we will get. So I'm going to open ChatGPT. So we have not given any topic. Either we have to upload some file with it so that it can create question from that text PDF file, or else we can type the name of the topic which we want. It's always recommended if you want to generate question from your book, upload the PDF and use AI to generate questions. So suppose I am going to upload that physics file. So I have just uploaded the file of physics class 12 book and see, this is what we have got. Bloom's level, remember, understand and all. And second column we have questions. What are the 2 types of electric charge? Very basic level. Purpose, why we are doing this, because it helps students recall the basic factual knowledge. So this is how you will get a table. So let's say if you do not have any PDF, so what we can do, let's try writing the name of the topic as force and laws of motion. What is meant by force? State Newton's 3 laws of motion. These 2 questions are of remember level. Now what is an analyze level? Compare balanced and unbalanced forces with 1 example each. See, if you wanted questions of MCQ question, you can write in this prompt ki I want MCQ question, 1 for each level. So suppose you do not want short answer type questions, rather you want MCQ, you have to write this and see, now you have MCQ questions of different levels. But wait, As you know, that do you have to trust these things directly, blindly? No. Because remember, technology will assist you, but teachers still have to lead because you are the subject matter expert. The content you will get, you can trust, but after verification. We will move forward to look at the evaluation part. I hope you are enjoying the course. See you in the next video.